So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can buy USDT in your Trust wallet. So guys, if you're new to the app and you don't know how to buy USDT, then this video is for you. So guys, once you're in the home page, all you need to do is look at these options that say send, receive, buy, sell, and history. Since we're buying USDT, we just need to go ahead and tap on buy. So guys, once you're here, you just need to search for the USDT crypto. Scroll down till you find USDT. Just scroll down, and guys, you can see the USDT is right here. Just go ahead and tap there. So just write down the amount that you want to buy. It says that $150 of US dollars is 148.9044 USDT. So if you have selected the amount that you want to buy, all you need to do is buy with Apple Pay over here. You can also change your payment method by tapping over here. Right under this Apple Pay, you can see you can either choose credit card or bank transfer. So just select your preferred payment method and just tap on buy. And in that way, you can successfully buy USDT. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.